Google just launched a new model called SignGemma, and it's incredible. It can basically turn sign language into written text. Now, this unlocks so many use cases. The first one I want to talk about is sign language dubbing in media. Unfortunately, I've seen those series where they have this person that's supposed to come in and do sign language, but they're not an expert, so they're basically signing gibberish, and now this is going to take care of that problem. It also unlocks a new category of media, whereas before it would take a lot of effort to translate into sign language. Now AI can do it, and perhaps even with better accuracy. AI can do this, and the more it trains, the more accurate it's going to become. This is incredible. Another use case is one-to-one communication. So if you're a signer trying to talk to a non-signer, the person can maybe wear the glasses and see exactly what you're signing and understand it. I see the future as people wearing these smart glasses or smart AR tools, and when they want to communicate with hearing impaired people, they understand fully what they are saying. So this is an incredible use case. The last use case I'm thinking about is sign language tutoring. So if you want to learn how to sign, you can turn on your camera and then start signing to the camera, and then to tell you what words you're actually communicating. So that is an incredible use case. If you ever thought it's really difficult to learn sign language, with this new model, it makes it completely easy. So the model is released. If you're an AI builder, there's so much opportunity here. Start building applications that help with media, tutoring, live translation, and this could solve a lot of inclusive problems. I'm starting a community of AI builders. If you're interested, join the link below.